Hi guys, thank you for watching Inday Talks, and today we'll be talking about the word swag. SWAG, swag, right. Literally, according to Urban Dictionary, swag means some something we all get tired of hearing. So if I say Inday is beautiful and perfect from head to toe, that's a swag. So in short, Inday is swag. So now guys, if you think of a word swag, that means Inday. But please, don't get tired of hearing me. Because what's the reason of me talking here in YouTube if you'll be tired of me? No, I'm saying, no, if you will be tired of hearing me, better I will close this channel. That's not good. Because I know that this video or my channel can help those Filipinos or other sexy girls around the world, teaching things that can help them improve their what I'm saying. Oh, that's a swag. That's not swag because nobody hear about it because I never mentioned the word. I'm so swag today. Anyway guys, I'll be giving you a song about swag like this. Swag po, may kiliti ako dyan, swag po. Tangina pare. Okay, uh, some of my friends saying that I should like translate swag or can I use swag in Tagalog? Well, my example will be this. When you say swag in Tagalog should be like this. For example, the scenario will be um, your friend wanted to do something that you don't like. Let's say she wanted to corrupt you in your singit. You know singit? Let's say, yeah, singit. Then you will say, swag! See, that's social. You should use the word swag if you're intelligent and beautiful like me. So don't say wag. That's so baryotic, no? So let's say, for example, um, you're eating something healthy and can help you become sexy, and somebody are trying to get something from your food. Don't tell them swag, okay? This is mine. For beautifuls only likes me. So that's the word for today. And have a nice day to all. Hey guys, watch out for my weekly video. I'll be making it like this week maybe because I'm always in a hurry and I'm always not busy. Because intelligent people always have a lot of things running around their minds like me, and I cannot do nothing about it. I have to use it. It will be useful. Because I'm beautiful, so I should be useful. Bye guys!